Bum, bum, bum. Oh, jeez, I'm about to hit 3K. What the? No, I'm sorry. Okay, hold on. What? What do you mean? What do you mean I'm about to hit 3K? I did switch this, right? Da da ba da ba da 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 da. I'm almost about to hit 3K. What do I do? Was fully expecting MTM 101 to take advantage of the 0.8 pre-release. I already played it, and I don't want to port the API to it. Oh, wait, let me stop the music. I didn't want to port the API to it because it's like first of like many pre-releases. There's going to be like one more after it. And I don't want to start porting the API that early because it's still going to be like a full another month. And I already have API 6.0, like, it's been delayed more times than it should have been. So, you know, I don't really want to port it already, considering I have so much, you know, I have other things to do. Right, let's switch the scene and get to work. Now, honestly, probably most of the stream will be UI, because I just finished the, last major, texture pack feature that I wanted to do for this update, for the rewrite. I just finished off the sprite swaps feature, where you can like grab any of the supported sprites, or any that aren't on it, assuming it's one of these. Like, oh yes, but you can use any of these sprites. Have you ever played Fragile Windows? No, I have not touched Fragile Windows, and I don't really want to because I've been doing other things. Maybe in the future, once Fragile Windows has the API separate and I can make that API replacement mod, I'll put it on one of my all mods combined streams. But when I'm doing those types of streams, I tend to not put in mods that I know will conflict a lot. And Fragile Windows will conflict a lot, which is just a natural consequence of it being a major gameplay adding mod that doesn't use the API. So, yeah. But I just finished working on the sprite swap feature. Might as well show it off real quick. So you are no longer confined to the original sprite resolutions of the original. You're no longer confined to the original sprite resolutions anymore. So, if you know, like, there's obviously still some things that are, oh, there that goes, bum. And I haven't added the ability to switch these out for every single sprite. I've only added it to a select few. I'll probably add it to a few more as time goes on. It's just, I don't want to... Bully just did 3 triple... But yeah, here's my... Oh gosh, I forgot about the ambience. Oh, get me out of here. Oh shoot, I forgot about the... Hold on, Baldi. I need you to get out of here as fast as me. Thank you. But yeah, this is an example of the new features of the texture packs mod. I just really quickly slapped something together. But as you can see, Baldi sprite is not this wide. There would not be enough extra room on the sprite sheet in order to have this working. But now with the new, with the new sprite swap system, you can now pass in separate image files to swap out individual sprites with whatever data you want, assuming it's belonging to one of these components, as I have to manually add support for these. So it's, it was added to every single character. It was added to like Gum and the tape player, and I'll probably add it to a few other, because the tape player has some problems with replacements and all that.
Holy crap, honestly crap.
Yeah, I didn't bother getting rid of these. Sprite, uh, Sprite, uh, Sprite overrides are global right now, and I probably won't change that. So, if any of these other supported components somehow got these sprites, the replacements would apply. Is the preview already moddable? I have not ported the API to the preview. Technically, it is moddable, but because you can still install BepInEx on it. But I have not ported the API to the preview, and I probably will not be doing that until the second preview, which will have the new structure releases. As the current preview is still very early in development, and I don't. And the only reason I even port API to the preview is because the update's going to release in a week, so it gives me some time. But I kind of need to get API 6.0 out soon, which is why I'm focusing on getting Texture Packs mod, like the rewrite with all the new features done, because that will be a big push and a big way to get people to move.
I mean, makes sense.
I mean, people will probably be upset that I cut modding support. I plan to the first version until I can find a good system that I'm satisfied with of doing it. Um, yeah, most mods aren't going to work in 0.8 because things got changed around again. And why is the static sound gone? What the hell? Hold on. I just noticed that the static sound has been broken. Like, I thought that was just me going insane. Is there hold on. Is something weird's going on with the Baldi TV because of one of my patches, I think. There are 3 Baldi TVs. I did not know. Oh, wait, they're all called. Why are there 3? Why is there one in the elevator? I don't think. Why is there one in the elevator? Can it even activate in the elevator? Will there be a sort of tool to let old mods automatically function from the new API? No, because I want people to switch to the new API. And also, I don't do that for API revisions. I don't do that for API revisions. Because why? The whole point of the API update is to get rid of old clunky code I don't want. So, yeah. What is going on with the audio sources for the static thing? I don't think should be being affected. Like, something weird's going on because I have to figure on. Let's check the Baldi TV. Baldi TV static. Okay, there's the static sheet. Static image, static object. Okay, Baldi TV audio manager. Okay. What about the static sound? How is that handled? Like, actually, Baldi TV static. Static object. Oh! Wait. Wait. Oh, is that? Hold on, where's the stupid static object? Where's the actual Baldi TV? Not those two. Where's the actual... Okay, fine.
Static image?
I'm trying to find it. Oh, static image. Here it is. Oh. Does Awake not get called every time it gets enabled? I thought it did. That's... Huh. Hmm. Interesting. I might have to, until I can figure this issue out, I might have to blacklist the static sound from getting changed. Because something weird's going on here. Because, okay, let's figure out what's wrong with this. Let's see. It uses the static audio clip. Is it, obviously play on awake got turned off. Is it the loop that's the problem? Is it the fact it loops? Hmm. The parent goes from inactive to active. Okay.
I kind of just decided to download a few extra like poster packs from from Game Banana and add them to like my collection because I might as well.
That's weird. Hmm. I'm just gonna put let's see if that fixes it. Because I did not realize the Baldi TV would be broken. Also, actually, you know what? While I'm at it, let me add a few more sprite renderers to the valid. Let's see. Maybe, I'll think about it later. Because I was thinking of like maybe adding the pickup sprites to the sprite override system so that you could include higher res sprite icons, but whatever. Other Baldi. Will you add the exit sign decoration to the level editor when 0.8 comes out? I don't know. I'll have to look at how it's done, but I'll have to see how it's done. Also, I don't need to wait for 0.8. I can already add the exit sign. Maybe I'll do that later. Yeah, wide Baldi. I was too lazy to do that to all the other frames, so I just made him squish. Kind of funny. Hello there, squished Baldi.
Hey, what's this?
Yes, Beans, get him.
Time to bounce, time to flee.
Oh gosh, I forgot about this stupid sound.
I'm the good.
Don't question what I was on when that sound was made. I don't know. But yeah. Oh wait, oh right, I just gotta keep playing until I get a do 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 do. Keep forgetting that my thing has I keep forgetting that about all the stupid test changes I did, like making that thing. Oh, shut up, Principal. You wouldn't know running in the halls if you ran in the halls. Okay, that looks like that fixed it. Okay, that fixed that problem.
Does anyone want to see something cool?
Ooh, I'm the ghost.
Hi, Baldi. Jump scare me. Why, Baldi, jump scare? What?
I'm Johnny.
You know, I never noticed the thanks for nothing. Anyway, let's exit out of here. And let me make sure that I can unload all these changes. So if I were to go over to here and call clear all modifications and for exception. What do you mean? Oh great, something's not being parsed correctly. Something about single. About trying to do float parsing. Great, now I have to figure this out. Because I have no idea what's broken. Okay, let's see. Let me make sure string to field is still... Okay, so we do that. We do that. And we do that. Oh, is it the Cortonian? I don't think I mess with any rotations, though. Oops, I need to get rid of that. Gosh darn it. Okay, well, I guess I'll just quickly look through each one and see. Also, I probably need to figure out how to make that two-string culture invariant, because I have no idea how you do that.
Oh, hi.
Because I know that if you just use two-string on a float, it'll put a comma there, and I think that'll mess up float.parse. I don't know, though. It's such a stupid thing that C# does.
One more pun, Dad. One more pun.
Let's see. Done replacements. Let's just go through all these and see which one's broken. Okay, that's correct. That's correct. Oh! That's... What? Why is it being serialized like that? The fuck? Why is it being serialized like that? I swear to... If this is another thing where it's... Oh my gosh, it's not even correct. Okay. Colors... Okay, that's wrong. What about the vectors? There's the... Why is it doing that?
Really, this one really like. It was like pre-release. It kind of thinks that it's like slightly more dead than it usually was.
Hmm. Where is the... Why is it doing this? I'm actually so confused. C.R. I'm actually so confused. Why is it even... Do I need to put a break here? What is the problem? Okay, seriously, this is like the third time this has happened. Why is it that whenever... Why? Why is it doing this? This is like the 15th time it's done this. Okay, will this fix it? If this actually fixes it, I will be so upset. Okay, let's see. Current... Where's it? Current... Done replacements. 10. Why? Why is it doing this? No. No, I have code right here, specifically to... I have code...
About, like, it has to be Unity Engine dot.
No, because I'm using .name. I'm using .name, which right here... Which right here you can see is just color.
Try, like, debug logging it. Or, like, try, like, logging it.
Okay. Engine.debug... Oh, wait, no, what am I doing? I have... It's so annoying. I'm actually, like, genuinely so confused. Stay calm, my guy. Don't say that. You're basically just belittling me when you're doing that, or at least that's what it feels like.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my super schoolhouse.
Alright, anyway. Okay, oh wait, it's the debug logs. What? Nothing's being logged. Oh, did it just not build? So I heard this update will remove mod support for texture packs. Yes, there was never supposed to be mod support for texture packs mod. It just kind of happened due to the way I programmed it.
Oh,
And I went, this is fine.
welcome to my
I realized in retrospect that it's not fine. Why is it not logging anything? I'm actually so... Why is it not logging anything?
Haven't been here.
Oh, wait. Oh, it's that. Huh. Okay. Okay. That explains it. Something to do with the enum support I added. Oh, great. Am I going to have to suffer through trying to get enums working correctly again? Because that was annoying.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my super schoolhouse. To come on in, just click on your name.
That's what I was doing.
Or
Okay, looks like it's actually... Okay, I think I fixed it. Really, the easiest way to find out if I fixed it is just to check. So let's check. It should be in done replacements. Should be like 11. Okay, no, it was 10. Okay, there. Okay, that's working. Now let me try. Now let me just simply try to clear all modifications. It doesn't throw an exception this time. Mouse cursor's back to normal. The HUD should be back to normal.
Oh, hi.
And if everything's still going well, then, hello. And if everything's still going well, then Baldi should also be normal, and he should no longer be wide. Yep, hello there, Baldi. Did not need to do that, I just thought that'd be funny. That's a awkward door placement. Look it up, look it up, look it up, look it up. Oh, jeez. I was just having fun. Okay, but all that's done. I also realized this whole strategy has a chance of breaking down when combined with Dark Magic Pack, but We'll see. Um... That's not really a theory, that's a headcanon, Aaron. There's no evidence for that. Besides, like, oh, it was typical of the era. That's not really a theory. It's more of a headcanon. Anyway, I think... Oh, gosh, I hate the fact I'm gonna have to include all this old junk. But, you know what, whatever. Well, it's mostly just these I hate having to include. Be social robot, classic detention, it's whatever. Gotta add legacy support so old texture packs still work. For the most part. Doing the texture packs mod right now. I'm currently adding legacy support to fortunately, that means I have to port over these old classes like serializable color, which jeez, it's a balloon. That was not really what I needed. There we go, whatever. Yeah, these are all in legacy, so... let me check something real quick. Streaming assets modded, texture packs, older, which is technically significantly newer. I don't know why I called it that. Sorry about that. Now, the thing is, I actually do plan on using the texture packs as resource folder now. Actually, you know what? No, I can just create the classes by hand. Well, actually, there we go. So now people can't. Now people have to update their packs if they want to utilize any of the new features. As if I did not do that, people could just add the new features in and keep the old pack stuff, which I do not want happening. I'll keep the original texture pack available for download for those who prefer the current public one. I keep all the old versions of my mods public, unless I absolutely have to get rid of the old versions, which usually I don't. The only times I've had to do that is with the API itself, and that's because it had so many versions that it reached the Game Banana version cap. I will keep the old one up, but it literally will not work in API 6.0, so you will very quickly have to switch off of it once mods start getting ported to 6.0. As I will not be maintaining the original texture packs mod, it'll take over the same. You can break any bug and rule outside. I'm pretty sure that's intentional. That's just how Plus works. No, Dark Sky, you don't understand. It literally will not work in 6.0. Like, if you try loading the current texture pack mod in API 6.0, it will crash. It will not work. So, the second 0.8 hits. So, the second 0.8 hits Dark Sky, it won't work anymore. Is it working on Endless Floors much? Endless Floors was cancelled, like, a few months ago now.
How is the best pack offensive to transgenders? What the hell?
Yeah. Yes, but you can just use the older API. Yeah, until mods start updating to the newer API. Then you'll have to use an older version of the game or the older version of the specified mod. If I can figure out a good way of doing it, I'd love to add mod support to the texture packs mod. I'm not doing this because I hate the idea of modding texture packs, of modding mods using texture packs. It's just, it's hard to get a good way of doing it. Yes, someone did suggest I just leave in the old hacky system as an option, but then everyone will turn on that config option, and I don't want people doing that. Because then they'll think I actively support that. I'll ruin hundreds of texture pack creators. I don't like getting rid of modded support. It's just, there's no good way of doing it that doesn't introduce hundreds of other issues. There are multiple issues with the current system. For instance, if a mod loads in something after a mod, those textures won't get picked up. And just blindly picking up everything like the old texture packs mod did led to a lot of oddities. Another thing is I don't want to spend all eternity debugging, I don't want to spend all eternity debugging things with other people's mods where I can't control the circumstances at which things happen. Oh, also, Wabo, people ask what new features are planned for the texture packs mod. There's quite a new features already, like sprite overrides allowing you to extend the sprite resolutions for sprites. The the replacement system, which allows you to move and edit certain parts of things. Like you can edit the HUD now, you can change the colors of the math machine digits. You can move and manipulate various images, and there's a whole host of fun. The wallpaper. Oh shoot! Whatever. Thank you. I have it change every hour, so that's just what it was at the moment. The Texture Packs mod source code is already public. In fact, there's the current rewrite's public too. If somebody were to go to the effort of going to the rewrite branch and compiling it. Friday's been good. Anyway. There we go. If they don't try this, will hopefully add mod support. If I can find a good way of doing it that isn't just doing what the old pack did, then I'll think about it. Because I don't like cutting out mod support, because I know it means people will try to stick with the old texture packs mod in an attempt to, you know, keep that mod support. If there was a good way of doing it, I would be doing it. But I have thought about a lot of different ways. I thought about patching the API itself. But the issue with that is that I have no idea which mod that texture is coming from. And I don't want to accidentally cause an infinite loop where, per se, I don't want to cause some form of infinite loop. I could assume that any and all textures that get loaded into an asset manager are overridable, but what if a texture doesn't get loaded into an asset manager? And obviously, people do use get texture from mod, which might be a useful place to start, but people may manually load mods in. There might be a way where I could check. I could do something hacky with reflection and go back and check, like, what is loading it. I could technically do reflection there. it would be really annoying, but that might be a way of doing it. But then they could be extending it from some other weird plugin, which then, you know, there's lots of edge cases. There's just lots of edge cases. And even if I guarantee the texture pack mod loads last, the main issue is I do not want to include regular. I don't want to include regular generated textures by the game in the mod. Because the game generates procedural textures quite a few times in its own use cases, and I don't want to pick up on those accidentally. It's why the old texture packs mod was almost never consistent. But scrapping mod support completely fixed that, so it only dumps like a small handful of times. Man, I wish I could have gone back in the past and got rid of mod support before the mod became super popular. Because now everybody's expecting it to have mod support, when that was just a side effect of how it was programmed. Jeez. Alright, back to working on legacy overrides. Jesus. There we go. Now I can just check if manual replacements dot add new replace node. Jeez. Okay, no, I hate. Okay, no. I am not. I am not putting those in by hand. I am going to put these in the texture packs asset folder, and then I'll just make a script that automatically moves all the texture packs out of there. Because this is going to be actual torture. So yeah, I guess texture packs mod now actually has some assets instead of just that being where the texture packs go. Because I moved where texture packs go just directly into streaming assets / texture packs, because there was no reason for it to be in that modded folder. Like, at all. It was just a hassle. Did I call it plus texture packs? What did I... Date modified. Okay. Where did I put it? Repository, view... Where is it? Repository, show and explore. Jeez. Oh, it's just called Baldi texture pack. Why wasn't it showing up when I was pressing... Oh, I was pressing T. Okay. Then in Legacy, I can include the %. Then in here, I can save this as Legacy fog replacement. There. I think I had a code for test fog color too. There we go. And I'll just use string.replace to get the color string, to get the % sign and replace it with the actual data I want. Okay. I think the last things I can implement are oh geez, I forgot this was from Pingus Pack. I got jump scared by you get Pingus. Okay. JSON convert dot deserialize object replace node file dot read all text path dot combine asset loader dot get mod get that, and then just get me, I believe it was legacy, and then I just gotta do dot replace do something that supports, yes, okay, replace %sign with replace node dot string to field, string to field, field to string, and then I put in legacy overrides dot underwater. Oh wait, no, this is supposed. No, this needs to be fog color. Yeah. Jeez. Dot fog color dot color dot unity color. There we go. There. So it will, so that if the fog color is different, then it will load legacy fog replacement, which is right here, and yeah, do legacy fog replacement. We'll go here, it'll replace that %sign with the actual color, and then it'll just carry on with its day. So yeah, okay, that makes that easy. Let's do the same thing with the test fog color. Legacy test, I believe it's legacy test fog replacement, yeah. Dot, I guess the last thing I can implement is the elevator colors, which I believe I could probably just find in patches what their names are. Alright, oh, I almost forgot to add MIDI support. Oh gosh. Oh, thank goodness I got reminded of that. That would have been embarrassing. Like, guys, new texture pack update, and they're like,
Yeah.
where's MIDI support? And I'm like, oops. That would have been bad. Good thing that reminded
Yeah.
me that I need to add MIDI support. Though that should probably be one of the more easier tasks. Except with the fact I can't really unload MIDI data once I add it. I mean, maybe I could. I might be able to add that functionality to the API. I'll have to check how the API's play MIDI patch works, because I know it overrides patches the MIDI player itself to even load the custom MIDI bytes. It might even be as simple as just removing an entry from a dictionary. I think it is actually that easy. So, Okay, I can't find the code for the elevator, but I'll at least get the... I guess I'll just do the underwater fog next. Alright. Alright, let me put this in the right place. Not pin to start! How do I... Okay, well, I'll just hope right-clicking that undid that. Unpin from start. Jeez. Okay, anyway. Pick link source. Drop as symbolic link. Well, there's still a lot more I need to add to Texture Packs mod, but like I obviously need to add MIDI support, and then I actually need to make it so you can toggle your your texture packs, because I have not put that UI back in yet, because I wanted to actually implement the rest of the mod before getting caught up in UI work. Alright, anyway, now I can go to Streaming Assets, Texture Packs, Test. I believe I need to go to Replacements. No, Texture Packs, Core Replacements. And that will have the README I need. Let's see. Valid root objects.
Oh, yeah, but the replacement system allow you to replace like the item slot background.
I looked into it. No, because the game just does, because it doesn't do that weird thing it did in Classic, where it had a extra image on it
Oh
behind.
yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, the colors are hard coded. I forgot.
Yeah, but I do have a nice way to port over some of the old overrides more directly into this new replacement system. One of the root objects will just be like some component, some like always active component that just statically stores variables that then mods can just use the replacement system to tweak. Like how you would change any other property. Gosh, I forgot most of this file is literally just listing all the valid transformable objects. AKA every single possible transform that's allowed to be moved, as not all of them are allowed to be moved. Not sure if I should actually have these render bases able to be moved, because I don't even think that might not even have any effect. The store screen is still in the elevator scene. Missman 12, when are you going to get rid of that thing? It's still there. I'm pretty sure the 2D I wouldn't be surprised if the 2D Johnny shop was still completely intact too. Would not be surprised. Oh, right. Yeah, for the math machine, you can turn on and off the... Right. I forgot it. With the math machine, you can also move around the math machine answer numbers in case you have your math machine ordered in a different way. Alright. My time to write the legacy. Flood event. Star. Replacements. None. Because we actually want to go over to the children. Actually, I think I can just copy this segment from... I'm pretty sure I can just copy this segment from the test, actually. I'm pretty sure the only difference is what the fog thing's actually called. I believe this is all I gotta do. I plan on it. I know this new version of the resource packs mod, texture packs mod will not, why do I keep calling it that? The texture packs mod will not be as, quote, user friendly as the old one because of all the new complex features. But, like, you know. Legacy underwater fog replacement. Legacy underwater fog replacement. Oh, also, seeing these stars reminds me that I need that for the sprite replacements. I need to add some way to, that I need to make it so that stars work here too. So you could, like, if you just wanted to make Baldi a singular image, you could do slap underscore sheet underscore star. Or technically, you could be evil and just do star and replace every single valid replaceable sprite with one singular thing, but, you know. Okay. Oh, geez. There it is. Alright, now I have to write this. So let's see. I believe what it should be elevator screen, elevator screen. Here it is. Elevator screen, elevator screen. I'm not sure if I should keep it like that or if now just actually yeah, I'll just do elevator screen star. I think we're looking for floor. I think we're looking for floor and seed indicator. I believe is what we're looking for. Baldi's Basics Times got a new update. Yeah, I know. Here it is. Get the elevator transmission. Get rid of its replacements. Alright. And then we can do floor indicator. And seed indicator. I haven't tested either of these, so I have no idea. these ones actually work. Alright, elevator seat color, elevator floor color, let other things are in the legacy overrides. Okay, the rest I can't implement without patches yet. Without patches, so I'll just put in to do implement rest via patches. Now I need a legacy texture pack to actually use this with, and unfortunately for me, I have one. I'm gonna move the test pack out because what do you mean it? What do you, for sake? Why does that even matter? What do you mean? What program is it open in? Oh, the test folder itself's open in another program. Let's see. Where? Nope. Oh, I think it's Notepad hogging it. Please? Where? Where? Where is it open? Where is it open? Like, actually, where is it open? Is it, oh, no, it's not there. No, it's definitely not there. Can I see? Can I see? Okay. Whatever that was, it did something weird. Okay. Anyway, unfortunately for me, I do have a legacy texture pack to test with. And that is Pingus Pack. I hate that fact. But I've decided this is my test pack for testing legacy content because it uses almost every old feature. It even uses overrides for some reason to make the fog red. And so I guess we're playing Pingus Basic now, or a really old and outdated version of it. Because I haven't re-downloaded this pack in eons. Okay, load. Kinda wish it didn't.
Hi, welcome to my super.
Let's see if any of the modifications actually got done. Texture packs plugin. Let's see, are there any done? Done replacements 0. Okay, that means none of this worked. Darn. Well, I'm still gonna play Pingus Basics. Alright guys, I'm playing Pingus Basic. Missing Texture Man 101. Save himself from the Pingus monster that has taken over Baldi's school. That is so loud. Let's find out on this incredible episode of saving on the Among Us Hello. This is my Pingus clock. No. Why are the birds so loud?
15 seconds. Detention for you. Don't make me do this again.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared. What? I hate little tiny little pink eye. Okay. I'm done. Okay, so something about legacy overrides did not... Did I make a typo in the name of the file it's searching for? So bring this as usual. Let's see. Oh, it never goes through the trees. Well. I can fix that. Okay, there. Now, Pingus Pack should load 100% correctly. But actually, before I do anything, I am going to also manually go in and change the Pingus texture pack so that it changes the elevator seed color and the elevator seed color and the elevator floor color, so I don't have to do that later.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my...
Okay, let's see. The text should be pink. That's not part of the original Pingus pack. I just made that change for testing. Okay, the text is successfully pink. I did not mess that up. Now, I guess we can see if we get the fog event, and if that's red.
Or we can probably just automatically...
I could, but I could just actually do this the faster way, but Pingus. No, I have no clue if they've actually updated this pack beyond, like... Let me actually check. You know? Pingus Takeover. Did they updated this to 0.6. They never updated this to 0.7. There is no 0.7 Pingus Takeover mod. This is a tragedy amongst all of Pingai kind.
Damn.
Pingus old boots. Pingus only. Our little icons, Pingus. Are they Pingus this? I did not know they changed the knock sound, in all honesty. Pingus, Pingus, Pingus. Oh, hi there, Pingus. Pingus more. Hate this Pingus meter. I hate the Pingus more Pingus meter.
Congratulations! You found all 4 notebooks!
I'm surprised that did not say all 4 Pingus.
Vote for something awful. These two rides like this don't
My machine is malfunctioning again. I can barely see anything.
Okay, but the fog's also red, which is a good sign because the original Pingus pack made the fog red. That's scary. But yeah, all appears to be working correctly in this old legacy pack, except for the stuff I haven't implemented. Except for the stuff I haven't implemented, it's all working correctly. I don't I don't like the fact they managed to add Pingus to all the dark areas. I don't like that. It scares me.
What? They changed the storekeeper character in Baldi's Basics. Plus, this player was entering Johnny's store seeing if there were any items in sale to buy, but they were instead met with the Pingus storekeeper. Do you think you can survive with these items sold by the Pingas storekeeper against Baldi, Pingamore, and his friends?
Welcome to my Pingers.
Welcome to my Pingus.
Thanks for Pingers. Totally worth the price.
I'm surprised you did not say it.
Yeah,
What did you say to me? What did you think say to me? What did you say to me? Finally, I can take a minute to listen to this peak. Play it. No, play it again. Where'd it go? Yeah. Pingus. Okay, I should probably stop before I get copyright struck. Okay. All that's working correctly. Of Baldi, Pingamore, and his friends. Oh, actually, wait. I just realized I don't think in... Okay. Just realized in place note, I don't think I ever added a case for Boolean. So I'll just do case. Okay, wait. Case system.boolean. Okay, I just had to confirm its name so I can get rid of system and just... No, that's not done. Return bool. Return true, else return false. Okay, so if it's true, field to string. Now the other way around, which is just Boolean, return str.toLower equals true. Or if it's equal to 1, in case somebody tried using 1 or 0 instead of true or false. There we go. Gimp tends to have moments where it goes down. It's probably nothing serious. Oh, okay. Now it's actually like just completely gone. That was a little scary. I was not expecting it to just be gone. You know, now that I think about it, 6.0 might end up being the shortest lived API version. It depends on if I decide to immediately start work on 7.0 once 0.8 reaches a workable state or not. But honestly, the changes might be so small, it might just go to 6.1 or 6.2. We'll have to see, because honestly, unless Mr. 12 makes a major change to how the game is structured, I don't think the API will be receiving many, if any, massive breaking changes. Because the game's, like, Plus's codebase is generally becoming more stable. You know, the API is reaching a point where code and syntax-wise, I'm generally quite happy with how it operates, which is why I'm getting more and more confident in the idea of actually making a Plus modding tutorial series. which will not help every single person mod, because if somebody doesn't know C#, that tutorial series is going to be really confusing for them. Because I am not teaching people how to use C#. That is something that is a skill they'll have to either just trial and error like I did, or learn on their own accord. Because I don't want to make a C# tutorial. I don't want to have to explain C# syntax every 5 seconds. Gambana is not always down. I only see it like it goes like I don't remember the last time it actually went down, in all honesty. So. Okay. And now it is time to create the That is a really weird way to count always down. Once a month? Oh, whatever. Now I can include all of the variable names I want. Public bool bsoda should rotate equals true. I guess I have to implement classic detention text. I think I did. Wait, didn't I have detention text color? I did. Darn it, I have to implement that. Public bool use classic detention text equals false. Public string classic detention text equals false equals blank. Okay, those are all the hard-coded replacements.
Oh, never mind.
Okay.
I was just trying to find like the one thing in the API that's essentially makes a readable copy of the texture.
Yeah. I just realized with texture packs, there's been another version of the API another revision of 6.0, because in the latest version of 6.0 that I haven't released a dev build for yet, there is a new localization from function thing that I added. I also added. Yeah, and I also added make readable copy. Actually, I don't know if I released that version of the API. I don't think I did, considering I made those changes yesterday. I don't think I released a test build of that version of the API. But, Okay. It's kind of funny how I'm adding use classic detention text. like did all this detention stuff when I know for a fact that in 0.8 the detention text is going to be gone. There we go. So now every aspect of detention UI is also movable. Anyway, to force it to regenerate everything, I'm just going to delete dump cache.txt, and that should force it to regenerate all the help files. Oh, that's an immediate error. Error reading. What the where? Oh. Let's hope the API still initialized correctly. I need to check. I need to try catch that, I think. Oh wait, no, that's fine.
Oh, hi.
Oh, that text is not displayed correctly, but oh well. Unable to connect. That is the first time I've seen that unable to connect message. In all honesty, I never actually tested it when I added it into the API. That's funny. It's
Unable to connect.
That's when API 6.0 boots up, it tries to contact Game Banana to see to get the latest updated released version. And since Game Banana's down right now, that API call fails. So it just says unable to connect. I click it. It managed to send me here, but it's just a blank page. Anyway, now that all the help files have regenerated. Yeah, I see one more. Hard-coded texture pack replacements. I think there should also be, shouldn't the detention UI be here too? Yeah, detention UI, detention UI. Guessing, yeah, detention UI. Wait, detention. I thought detention UI had more rect transforms than that. Oh, I forgot to specify in children. I just did get components. Get components. Get components in children. There we go. Now let's force it to do another redump. I really need to put that into try catch. You know, the fun weird thing is that Game Banana is actually returning a success opcode. Like, hold on. Because I have it programmed to throw an error if it returns a non-success code. But whatever Game Banana is in whatever Game Banana is doing right now, it's returning a success. It's returning a success code. Oh wait, I was wondering why I couldn't find it. It's because I'm on the main branch and I'm not on V6. Yeah, like if I do this, it's returning success. Why is it doing that? Not even this shows anything. It's just empty. The whole site's just returning a 0. Jeez.
It really just seems like Game Banana just like kind of just breaking apart.
It does. This isn't the first time it's crashed like that. It's weird. Anyway, now if I check the generated config file, there, it actually now features the rest of the rec transforms. Alright, time to implement all those old patches. Wait, I just realized Pingus has used classic detention text false, did I? Oh, no, it's just called it detention text, so I'm guessing it got... Yeah, never mind. Anyway, time to texture patches. Okay, that's not necessary, that's not necessary, that's not necessary. That's the select stuff. Where is my detention UI? Here it is. This isn't necessary anymore. I'll just comment it out, actually, just in case. Public color detention text color. There we go. That was pretty much just a one-to-one port of what the old texture packs mod did. Seems like you're dead. Sorry, I'm not actively checking chat. I am a little tired, so forgive me for that. The texture of sand is gross. I think most people would agree with that. Not all people. Most people would. Not all of them. Let me make sure. I died at B-Set and Harris from B-Set, right? Actually, no, I'm pretty sure they both use the same class. Wait. Actually, I don't think I need to port detention text color. No, I don't. I don't actually need to port this. Because there's a more proper way of changing the detention text color now through the override system. Dun 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 dun. Okay. All of this looks correct. Hold on. Quick, Baldi Wiki, I'm too lazy to just do like... No, that's the Phantom Wiki. No. Okay, I'll just... Wait, is there a screenshot of it with the detention text? Yes. Yeah, you get detention. Blank seconds remain. Wait. There we go. There's a bully in detention. Oh boy. This also applied prior to Baldi Busy Plus 0.8. Classic. Let's Michael does gaming. Jeez, I am tired. Did you know Michael does gaming? Oh yeah. I vaguely remember him. I don't exactly... I think he made that one mod, and that one Michael mod. I can't remember a single thing he did, in all honesty. I think that was about the era where where I stopped paying attention to classic modding and focused primarily on plus modding.
Like, I believe it was initially like Michael's teachings, but then it became like the learning of education or something like that.
Yeah. Alright, this needs to be not. The B soda if the B soda should not rotate. Okay, time to make all the new thingies. Okay, so the first one I need to do is for Legacy. I believe I can just use my white. Oh, shoot, right, it doesn't exist because I moved it. Test, replacements, make YTPs blue. Here it is. I believe all I need to do is just move this. Is just get rid of this. Move this up here. And then I can change. I am so tired. Then I can change it to be detention UI star. I want to go to TMP. No. This is the text. Main text. Replace the color. Oh wait, I also need to do the same thing with the. Do the same thing with the timer, with the time. Legacy detention text color replacement. If text color. If I met Miss Pantolf, I would tell him there is a mustard stain on his shirt. Why? Wish I could meet Miss Man 12. I kinda do, but also not really, because I'm scared. Let's see. So detention text color. Use classic detention text. I realize I need to add all of this thing's fields to the allowed list. Alright, I think it's been fun, but I think I'm going to end the stream here because I am incredibly tired. I'll probably stay in my VC, but I am definitely ending the stream because I am so tired and I don't want to be tired publicly. So, yeah. It's been fun.